Hello guys, it's been a while since I did my nighttime routine and also removing the makeup, and you can see I have all my shadow sets up here, and I have my eyeliner, I have my eye pencil, I have my foundation on, so I have my lip sense too. So that's how I am going to start with. As you know, we have two type of makeup removers. One is the Foops remover wipes, and other one is the Foops liquid. Whenever you use the Foops liquid, always make sure you shake it well. That way they get mixed up. Otherwise, it's actually a oil based one, so it separates actually. And if you are not using the non waterproof waterproof mascara, then you can very well use just the Foops wipes and just go with it. If you're using the waterproof, then I would definitely suggest you to go with our Foops remover. This will last you so long. Like, I mean, you will just use like a tiny bit, like our any other what is it, like any other what is that word? Any other cosmetics, you will use the tiny drop even when it comes to our makeup removers. And our makeup removers also comes with skincare benefits in it. If you see, they also have the Senaplex complex, so when you take it out, you are still going to have moisturizing benefits. The first step obviously be applying the oops remover to remove the makeup. So that's the first step I'm going to. In apart from these two, the other favorite way to remove makeup is using a shea butter body cream. So always make sure to apply the oops remover liberally, because you have applied 3 coats, so it needs time to soak in and remove it. So my favorite way is to use the shea butter body cream, because I wouldn't suggest using any other ones, but ours is really good to break our makeup. At the same time, I'm going to have the extra moisturization from that way I can soak it all up while sleeping at night. So this is my favorite way to remove the makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a tiny bit and maybe apply it all over. And what this is going to do is it's going to start breaking the color nicely, including our shadow sense colors, our mascara, and also the pencils, the eyeliners, everything. So just give it some time for it to soak and also break. Since our makeup is like a all day wear, it takes a bit of time for it to work on it and remove it. What I do in the meanwhile is I am going to start just run my water a little bit. That way I can dip my towel and give like a quick steam for my face. That will help to break the makeup evenly. Let's use a tiny bit of whoops. I will show you how to use it and massage it your eyelids. I'm just going to dip my finger. I don't even need to have it to drop in my hand or something. I will always take it just my tiny bit in my fingers, because any other product, this is again concentrated. You can see it starts to break down all the mascara and also the eyeliners. You can see how much it has started to break down, and I'm just taking a tiny bit. I'm not soaking it all in. You never have to do too much of any product when it comes to Senegen's line. When you are working around your eyes, don't even push too hard. Always make sure to you work really gently. That way you are just helping the color to break in, but at the same time you are not pulling the skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my washcloth and I'm going to dip it in hot water and just be back. So I have dipped it in warm water. What I like to do is I like to gently press on all over my face. That way what it does is it's going to lightly steam my face. So don't put too much hot you should be able to bear with it for few seconds, and that way you will be gently able to break the color using the shea butter and foods, and it will be easy to wipe and clean. You can see all the glitters and everything is here, and my face is already starting to look clean. I will still go ahead and use, even though I used shea butter and what's the like body cream, I'll still be using our cleanser to start cleansing my face now. So that's the next step I'm going to use. And for me, I will use the dry line at night, and I use the normal to day normal to oily in the daytime. I added back a little bit of water to my face. Anytime when you are washing, have some water, and I have my cleanser here, and I'm going to add a bit of water again here and rub it all in, and I'm just going to gently massage it through. So cleansing is different from removing your makeup. So if you have used makeup, then make sure you remove it first using a makeup remover wipe or makeup remover liquid, and then start applying the cleanser. So here I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to wash it quickly, and let me wash it with warm water and be back. So I'm going to just wipe it gently and start with my nighttime routine after this. Let me show you what the order I use. The first thing I start is my digital age defense serum. So the only day it changes is the day I use retinol. Today is not my retinol day, so today I'm going to do like a generic one. So you can see it's almost done. I am in the last bit. If you are someone who is in computers or phone all the time, then this is perfect for you, because this is going to protect you from the damage that is caused with blue light. So this is the first one that goes on your skin. It's like it has a nice fragrance attached to it. I don't know how to describe it. It is more of a like a very earthy one. So that's the first one, and none of Senegen's cream will be sticky or oily. They get really absorbed so well. So the next one is my favorite, climate control. So that will be the next one. For climate control, I always like to do 2 pumps in my hand and just press it against my skin, because it's one of the best thing you can do to your skin, because it's full of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times of its weight of water particles. So that's how much molecule it's going to absorb from the environment and put it back to your skin. So it is like, if I can bath in climate control. That is how much you need. The next one will be obviously brightening. You can see I had breakouts after the mask. So now that they are healing, I like to take like half a pump to 1 pump and apply wherever I had more breakouts, and then I apply the remaining things to the rest of the place. If you are starting with brightening or our Sanaserum C, you may have a tingling sensation. That's quite normal, because ours has a vitamin C in them, but when compared to other ones, here the vitamin C is an activated form. That means it gets activated only when you release it. So it's really powerful. So think like you scrub a lemon. If it is tingles, that means it's nice and fresh. So that's how it should feel. So the next one I like is like the hydration mist. While you sleep, you need to have as much moisture in your face. That will avoid any wrinkles. So I like to do like how many ever sprays. What this does is this is going to gently get absorbed. At the same time, it's one of our anti-aging category. For summer, it is the best thing you can have. You can even keep it in the refrigerator and spritz it all over, and it can go on top of your makeup too. It will not break your makeup. So if you're someone who feels dry after some time, if you wear a makeup or something, you can always use this. and you can always carry it in your bag too. That's why they made it in a clear container, so it's safe for air travel too. So it's comes under the guidelines. And the next one is obviously the night cream. Here I am using the normal, here I use the dry. As I said, for night time I use the dry cleanser and the dry night time, so that I can have more moisture while sleeping. Whereas for day I use normal to oily as my cleanser, and normal to oily day cream. So this is how much I will use. I just rub it in your my fingers and just press it all over. Today I had I exfoliated, so I can feel my skin is like it's gliding. Actually, it's that silky smooth and soft. Actually, I can feel like I can rub it all over. That's how soft it feels. So that's the next step. Yet to get the new rejuvenating anti-wrinkle. That's why my order is, as of now, it's this way. Once I get that, it will change. And here is the neck cream. Whether you start using only after wrinkles or not, that's up to you. I like to use it a little ahead. That way I don't have to get any wrinkles or what is it, like aging signs. So this is a neck cream which you can use it around your décolleté. This will help to tighten the skin instead of sagging. So that is the other one I use. And the next one is my favorite eye cream. So here I am going to use my ring finger, and I'll just take a tiny bit. This is how much you are going to use. But what I like to do is I like to tap it in my other ring finger and massage it and gently press it against your skin. And if you can, just massage it for 1 or 2 minutes. What this does is it's going to increase the blood circulation. When you have more oxygen to your skin, it's going to help improve the skin health itself. So if you have time, always make sure to do it. I know many of you have dark circles and bagginess under your eyes, so this is a really nice way for you to do. You don't have to take tons of your time. Just doing it few minutes of your day is going to really make that difference. And today I didn't use it, but if you're someone who has really dry skin, or if you're like more than 40-45 and you feel like your skin is drying out, then you can always add our Nangai oil. Today, even though it's not in the order, I will just try to show you how much you need. You just need like just a very tiny amount. This is how much you are going to use. Just rub it all over. It's not going to be sticky at all, and just press it against your skin. It's full of triglyceride. It's 100% triglyceride. It comes from a nut called Nangai nut, and has a very what's it, like a vanilla scent kind of, and it solidifies like our coconut oil. You can see it's since it's winter, but you can run it under water, and you are not going to use like tons of product. You are just going to use like as I showed, like half squirt or something. You don't need a lot, but it's going to be really nice and moisturizing. Even for kids you can use it. And the last step will be let me seal my lips with lip balm. At night I use the clear lip balm. You cannot use lip balm when you are using lip sense in the morning, because lip balm will start to break the color. So that's why I use it after I remove the lip sense at night. And the last one will be the collagen night pack. You can see these are the circles here, the pretty ones. Those are Cineplex complex by itself. So it is going to act as a veil between your face and the pillow or anything. That way you are not stretching it. Whatever moisture I have done, it's going to seal it all inside. So I like to use, I think people who always take about collagen, they know the value of it. When collagen is reduced, that's when your skin is start to show all aging signs. So I also like to take a tiny bit and also rub it around my lips, because I have already moisturized with oops remover and lip balm. So this is going to seal it all in and make sure I don't get any dry chapped lips. And the last one to finish off is the Senegen's Renewing and Brightening Hand Cream. If you're not taking care of your hands and just taking care of your face, if you keep it closer to your face, you can see the difference, like that it will start showing wrinkles, whereas here, so always make sure to do for your hands to keep it moisturized. And this also helps with people with aging signs, and this is different from the normal hand cream. That's why the normal hand cream I keep it during my wherever I'm around during the day, whereas this is more of my nighttime. It's under our spa products, so it really helps to moisturize, and also it helps with any discoloration that happens through aging. So I think that's my pretty much night routine. I am done for today's one. Hope you liked it. You don't have to start with everything. I became a skincare junkie after I started, so that's why I pretty much use everything in the line, because why not take care of yourself when you can, instead of worrying about it later. But if you are just starting, you can even start with just cleanser and night cream. Then you can slowly add on a treatment of your choice. Like for example, if you have dark circles, you can do dark circle. If you have marks, then you can do brightening. If you have what is it, like aging signs, obviously you can do the rejuvenating. So you will add one at a time. Then you can add exfoliator of your choice, whether it's mask or whether it is the scrub, based on your choice or the time you have. You can always add that, and then once in a while you can spoil yourself with the spa product like a gold mask, or even this rejuvenating the hand cream, something like that. So it is not that you are going to add everything at once. You will slowly start to learn what works for you, and how, that's how I customize it. So I always ask you what is your current needs are, and then I will put you into one after the other. That way it makes it easy for you to incorporate them. It's not a very big rocket science or something. It's more of a practice. So that if you have any questions, always reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer them. And so these skincare products, I'm more passionate about it. That's why I keep talking about it. It has helped me in a huge way. As I said, my skin never looked better. As I'm closer to 40, I'm proudly, I can say, now only I'm starting to taking care of it much better than I used to be in 20s, where I always neglected. So it's never late to start your skincare journey. That's how I feel. Have a wonderful day, guys.